Just like, what's up, please?
These little things are cute.
What's that? I'm going.
These little birds are cute.
He brought you a feathered steak. Did you bring me a feathered steak?
They're cute.
He's like, here's this feather I brought you.
Shit. I'm trying to get a stick. Aw. I'm gonna find another steak.
You have to go find.
He's finding the perfect steak to bring me.
He's finding the perfect steak.
Look at this guy. He's just like mysterious.
He's like, man, I miss them days we was out there eating them Walmart French fries, man.
Look, he got another stick.
He brought you a stick?
No, it's got it in his mouth.
Does he bring it back to you?
Yep.
Shit. Oh, the black one came up. He's like, hey, man. You know.
He's got a long beak. I ain't fucking with him.
Two tortas. Una partridge and a turtle. Scan to donate to these birds. These people snap. Look at him right there. Hey, dude. Vision. Some of them affiliated woodpeckers. I got that. Two tortas and a pro queen bird in the tree. She came up, tried to get me through the thing. Man, little birdie.
He's cute.
He's the cutest bird. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. He's like Leroy. Leroy.
Take your camera.
Take that camera, Leroy. He can't. That's an iPhone Pro 77,000. Oh, he's coming back to bite you, bitch. He's like, I'm coming back to bite you. They're back in the other cage. There's a whole cage full of them back there. So it gets real though. Let's see. Go over here. I'll get my hair picked up by these birds. Let's see. Whoo! Hey, hold it down. Oh shit. They're freaking out. He's like, man, cut my chain loose, man. Free me.